How to make anyone respect you without saying a word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit subscribe because on this channel, we talk about self-improvement, confidence, and how to become the best version of yourself. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever walked into a room and felt completely ignored? Like people talk over you, dismiss your opinions, or just don't take you seriously? If yes, you're not alone. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Respect isn't given, it's communicated. And sometimes, without knowing it, you might actually be teaching people to disrespect you. But don't worry, today that changes. Because in the next few minutes, you're going to learn exactly how to make anyone respect you, not by being loud, aggressive, or fake, but by changing a few simple behaviors that completely transform how. The first thing you need to understand is this. If you're constantly trying to be liked, you will rarely be respected. When you agree with everything, avoid conflict, and try to please everyone, people don't see you as kind. They see you as someone who can be ignored. Respect doesn't come from pleasing people. It comes from standing firm in who you are. Start saying what you actually think. Be okay with people disagreeing with you. Stop apologizing for things that don't need an apology. Not everyone will like you, but the right people will respect you. Now here's something most people get wrong. Talking more doesn't make you more important. In fact, it often does the opposite. When you talk too much, you reduce the value of your words. But when you speak less, people listen more. Look at the most respected person in any room. They're usually not the loudest. But when they speak, everyone pays attention. So instead of rushing to fill every silence, pause. Think before you speak. Keep your words simple and clear. Silence isn't awkward. It's powerful. Next, if you want respect, you need boundaries. Because if you don't set them, people will test you. They'll interrupt you, waste your time. Take advantage of your kindness. And it won't happen all at once. It happens slowly, until one day you realize no one takes you seriously. Respect grows when people know there's a line they can't cross. Start small. Say no when you mean no. Stop agreeing to things you don't want to do. And if someone disrespects you, address it calmly. You don't need to be rude. You just need to be clear. The moment you respect yourself, others follow. Now let's talk about something people underestimate. Your body language. Before you even say a word, your body is already speaking. If you avoid eye contact, slouch, or fidget constantly, you signal insecurity. But when you stand straight, hold eye contact, and move with intention, you instantly appear more confident, and confidence naturally attracts respect. You don't have to force it. Your presence will speak for you. Another mistake people make is over-explaining everything. When you justify every decision or opinion, it makes you seem unsure. Instead of saying, "Sorry, I can't come because I'm tired and I have work," just say, "I can't make it." That's it. No long explanation. No overthinking. People respect certainty. The less you try to convince others, the more convincing you become. Now here's something that separates respected people from everyone else. They are reliable. They do what they say they'll do. If they commit to something, they follow through. Most people talk big, but fail to act. And that's why they're not taken seriously. If you want respect, become someone people can count on. Show up on time. Keep your promises. Finish what you start. Consistency builds trust, and trust builds respect. Finally, learn to stay calm under pressure. Anyone can act confident when things are easy. But real respect comes from how you handle difficult situations. When someone challenges you or disrespects you, don't react emotionally. Don't raise your voice. Don't lose control. Stay calm, because calmness shows control, and control shows power. The person who stays composed is the person people respect the most. At the end of the day, respect isn't about forcing people to treat you better. It's about becoming someone people naturally don't want to disrespect. And the best part is, you don't have to change who you are, just how you carry yourself. Start with one habit from this video, just one, and watch how people begin to treat you differently. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos like this. Because the way people treat you starts with you.